our talk show, and we're back with the same level of excitement and enthusiasm as before. Today, we have another guest with us, Tausif Gaha from class 10th.
Thank you
Hello,
for
Tausif. Do you want to say something, or we shall,
thank you
without any
for
wasting time?
having me here. I'm about it has been 14 years since I'm here, and we have a long through journey that I'm going to talk about.
So, you have spent majority of your
Yeah,
time.
there is very much less time to talk about. So you can tell it in a nutshell.
Alright, let's then just proceed with the questions. Can you tell me what was a funny or surprising way one of us has wrecked a classroom?
Yeah, well, I know a recent one. It happened this year. It was about the prohibition of junk food. And I guess their duties was assigned to the class CRs. but here you are the host and the CR obviously, and everybody knows, and I think even the neighbors of the school know who is the junk food most often.
I mean,
So it was a kind
I've
of
left that habit now, but yeah, I used to bring the most junk food. And no, I haven't left the habit. I still eat a lot of junk food. But this is like keeping milk in front of a cat
milk cat.
and expecting that she won't drink it. Obviously, I just took the snacks of all the classmates and ate them myself because
and
I
you
was fond
and
of
you're
those.
keeping those junk foods in instead of packets in a box to prevent any problems from
And I
checking.
used to hide those boxes in underneath my lunch so that if anyone would check,
Yes,
it'd
alright.
be like, oh, she has lunch in it, but underneath that lunch,
That was
I
kind of
have
surprising way.
yeah, I sometimes kept them like between my notebooks,
Yes, right.
so no one would like find she has junk food. Yeah, but stop eating junk food. It's a very bad habit.
Very bad.
Don't get inspired by me. I have health problems. Alright, so next question. What was the most funniest or a creative excuse one gave for being late or missing a class? This is like something we always do.
This happened last year. Actually, it was a genuine excuse, I guess. It was about the national science drama that we were preparing for. It was
Which one?
you. It was you, me, a national science drama for Pampur, I guess.
Yeah, the one with
Yes,
the
yes.
like.
And when we were practicing, as we were having good practice in it, still we have many classes like biology, SST, and one day when we were in the hall, we were just having a quarrel with Junaid.
Yeah,
Suddenly
or
after
something
that,
that should we like go abroad for studies or not?
Yeah.
And we were like, he was like, no, we should. I was like, no, we should.
these were some excuses. And then Junaid, and you were just you kept a scene that you were like just
The
acting
teacher
that at the
entered
time.
in, and I'm like, I stood up. So you're gonna stay here, and he's gonna come in, and he's gonna give you a slap.
And then
And
we
then
laughed
the
out
scene
louder.
will end here. We were like practicing
That
in
was a
that.
fab moment, I guess.
Yeah, and I think it didn't affect our studies as well because the syllabus was complete and all we did was like memorizing the questions. So I think it wasn't much of a
Yes.
deal. We were just like you hanging out upstairs in like that. Well, I don't know what
That
to
was
call it, a
memorable.
hall.
That was a fab moment.
Yeah, that was like a core memory for us. I don't think I'm gonna forget about it. But yeah, we did lost the competition later, which is a very sad
That
thing.
was at last a cheating, I guess.
I
It
was.
was.
I mean, yeah. In the end, people do call it a cheating.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Saucy, for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right, we have another guest with us, Tagdeesun Nisa. Hello, Tagdeesun Nisa. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right. So before we start, do you want to say something, or shall we just like continue with the questions?
I'm proud to say that we have been seniors in this school since past 3 years, and I'm excited to reflect some of my memorable moments that we spent in this school.
Exactly. Being seniors for like 3
3
years
years.
is the biggest flex we can have. We were seniors for 3 years. Alright, Tagdeesun Nisa. Let's just start with the questions and not waste our time. Can you tell us about any event when we were supposed to be serious but we failed? I mean, we're always unserious
Yes,
about
always.
everything and we fail about almost everything, but still, do you remember any particular event?
I think it was the last working day before winter vacation when we were in 8th grade, and our school organized a cooking competition in which girls of class 6, 7th, and 8th participated. And all our juniors were excited for the event, but we seniors had other plans.
Because we thought it was
Yes,
our
we
last day.
secretly decided not to bring any food to school, and we all agreed in advance. And then what happened when the principal ma'am went from class to class reminding everyone to get ready for the event? As soon as she entered our class with high expectations, as we were seniors,
That's why they
and-
say there's a quote
Yes.
in our class, expectations always
yes.
heard.
And then she came out. Soon she entered our class, she was met with a sea of empty-handed girls, and she scolded us so much and also locked us. from outside the class.
And yeah, we were prohibited from buying something as well, even though I was like
Yes,
so
yes.
hungry.
And instead of feeling punished, we felt liberated and we start playing games, singing, roaming from one class to
I remember our Urdu teacher entered and then we were singing. It was like,
Yes.
what were you doing?
yes.
What
and,
is this
and to the
behavior?
innocent, we sat on floors instead of sitting on benches.
And then when they finally agreed for us to like enter the stores and buy something, I remember we buy those momos. They were like veg
Yes.
momos, and I was like, OMG, they're gonna taste amazing.
And
And
we
to buy
then throw out
the vegetable
the-
inside, they were seriously uncooked. They were raw, and I had to spit all of it out. And I was like, this is a bad thing. But yeah, one of our class girls, she betrayed us. She bought food with her.
One, yes, one,
that
one,
too
one.
from a restaurant. She was like, I bought it from a restaurant and now I'm going to sell
Sell
it.
it.
Like, what's the thing? Come on. Alright, thank you, Sunisa. Let's move towards the next question. Can you tell us the most embarrassing moment of our class? I mean, all of our class moments are embarrassing. Could change our name to the embarrassing class of Little Angels Academy Thral, but still, do you remember any particular moment?
I think it was during fruit art competition. At that time, we were in class 9th. And
Remember, I
our
know what
school
you're gonna
organized
say.
a fruit art competition from class 3rd to 9th, and we were in class 9th. And when the event was about to end, and it was time to display our creations.
Creations.
And yes, our creations. And I'm seriously telling all
Yeah,
the
I was
stalls
present
were
there too, yeah.
all
I
the
made
stalls
that
were
thing.
properly filled, beautifully decorated, and on our table there were only 3 palettes. I still remember there were only 3 palettes, and it was not even half filled.
And yeah,
then-
our teacher in charge was like, I don't know you people. He literally refused to tell anyone that he was our teacher in charge. He was so embarrassed of our plate. And then
Yes, and on the same day results were announced, and we were not expecting to win a position, but we were not also expecting the shame of being eliminated.
the
and that's
sir was like,
how-
sir went
what
on the
exactly
stage.
happened.
I don't think they had plans to eliminate everyone, but when they saw our table, they were like, we have to eliminate these people.
Yes,
This is
and
too
then-
much. This is over the top. And he went to the stage and he's like,
Class 9.
Class
you have been
9,
eliminated.
you've been eliminated from this competition. Do not show us in this table again and leave. I remember no one was like willing to eat from our table.
Yes.
And then Zafar sir was like, I'll eat from your table, guys. I'll eat from your table. Alright, thank you, Sunisa. Thank you so much for joining us. This was the end of the second episode and our first segment. So we'll thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you're waiting for the next segment. The next segment will be due soon, so stay with us. Thank you so much.